friends, welcome back to our channel The World Unrest News. Today I am here to give economic related news of India. So let's start. Our today's topic, as you know from the thumbnail, is about KV Kamath report. KV Kamath committed report is accepted by RBI. The Reserve Bank of India had set up the committee headed by KV Kamath on restructuring of loans impacted by the COVID-19 pandemic. The committee has submitted its report to the RBI on September 4, 2020. This report has been broadly accepted, the central bank said in a statement of Monday. Let's know about the report. The KV Kamath committee has selected 26 sectors which will require restructuring based on its analysis of financial parameters hit due to the economic crash caused by COVID-19 pandemic. The committee had selected 5 financial parameters related to leverage, liquidity, debt serviceability, etc. Financial parameters are: first, total outside liabilities to adjusted tangible net worth. It can be calculated by total asset minus total liabilities minus intangible assets. What is asset? A resource with economic value that an individual, corporation or country owns or control with the expectation that will provide a future benefit. Example, building machinery, cash, etc. Then what is liabilities? It includes loans or in simple an obligation. Now the third last, intangible asset. It includes patent, copyright, franchises, goodwill, trademarks and trade names. In simple we can say that it logs physical substance. Now we will discuss 4 left financial parameters. Second number, debt, EBT, TDA. It is a ratio measuring the amount of income generated and available to pay down debt before covering interest, taxes, depreciation and amortization expenses. A ratio of greater than 5 is usually a cause of concern. Now third, current ratio. It is current assets divided by current liabilities. You can check. 4. Debt service coverage ratio. It is the addition of net cash accruals along with interest and finance charges divided by addition of current portion of long-term debt with interest and finance charges. Now fifth, the last, average debt service coverage ratio. It is DSCR over the period of the loan. 26 sectors which will be restructured are power, construction, iron and steel manufacturing, roads, real estate, trading wholesale, textiles, chemicals, consumer durable, that is FMCG, non-ferrous metals, pharmaceuticals manufacturing, logistic, gems and jewelry, cement, auto component, hotels, restaurant and tourism, mining, plastic products manufacturing, automobile manufacturing, auto dealership, aviation, sugar, port and port services, shipping, building materials, and last, corporate retail outlets. The committee has formulated sector-specific resolution plans for all accounts with total loan exposure of rupees 1500 crore and above. As you all viewers know that we always give some more information. Today in this video also we are giving you more information about members of the committee. First, Chairman of former ICICI Bank Chief Executive KV Kamath. Second, former State Bank of India Executive Diwakar Gupta. Third, current Canara Bank Chairman TN Manoharan. Fourth, consultant Ashwin Prakash. Fifth, Indian Banks Association Chief Executive Sunil Mehta. The term of the committee has been extended till June 30, 2021.